Does this look familiar? This is our camping first aid kit. Turn this into this. You can see everything. Hey, g'day, it's Craig from KickAss Products, and look what I've got here, our clear top canvas bags. These things are bloody awesome. Now they're 400 GSM heavy duty water resistant canvas with a clear top that you can actually see what you've packed. I mean, look at these handles, they're built up. Extra heavy duty handles, extra heavy duty zippers. I mean, you're not going to be breaking these in a hurry, they're bloody awesome. And a little handy feature we've done, we've put a little name tag in there so you can actually, I don't know, put your name on it if you want to, but you could also label what you've got in there so when you're stacking them on top of each other. But how cool is that? Now, the different bags, they have different dividers. You can pull them in and out with Velcro. They are available in various sizes. Look at them all, there's a whole range of them, all to store your bits and pieces in. How cool is that? And there is a soft padded range with a nice soft toweling that can protect all your bits and pieces. Or we do have our PVC coated as well that you can actually wash out with a little bit of, wipe out with water and put all your dirty gear in there. So if you grabbed all your, after a snatchy up the beach or in the mud, snatchy straps, winch extension straps in there. If you run out of room, you can always pull the divider in and out. Tree trunk protectors, you name it. All your bits and pieces, all in there, nice and easy to see. I mean, how cool is that? You normally don't know what's in your gear. You know exactly what rope to grab out. I mean, snatch blocks, bow shackles, gloves, you know, all that gear is really nice to get a hold of and see. With the other one, you can do all your ratchet straps. All your strappings can go in there. Ropes, hammers, tent pegs. You can fit so many things in these, and the beauty is if it gets nice and dirty at the end of it, just get a wet cloth and you can clean it all out. All your straps into one place. How cool is that? No more diving in, looking in different bags, wanting to know where everything is. You beauty. How cool is that? Alrighty, here's some ideas for some of the soft bags. I mean, you got your toiletries, all your bits and pieces, shower cap, which is really, really important, obviously. Toilet paper, instead of using the campsite sandpaper, all protected nice and safe, you know, toothbrush, deodorant, all that sort of stuff. I mean, I've got this as my first aid kit, so I can actually have a glance and see what's in my first aid kit. You know, if I need to pull something out really quickly and have a look at it, it's all ready to rock and roll. I've used one of the bags for all my clothes, so I've got a good day's trip worth of clothes in there, you know, all your good stuff, all in there. Okay, in this one here, I've got my KickAss vac sealer, some bags ready to rock and roll. I've also got, you know, some electrical stuff in here just for a little bit of repairs that I want a little bit of protection. And the beauty about these is the foam protection on the side. So as you can see there, how cool is all that? 400 GSM canvas, clear top, all stackable, dividers, little name tags on there. We've thought of everything. Head over to the website or head in store. You ripper.